Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you all for coming by. Thank you all for joining me at this time. It has been such a wild couple of days. I did not think that this whole thing would get blown out of to this level, to this extent. This is getting absolutely crazy. I haven't even left my house for the past 24 hours. All the grocery stores are sold out of literally food, literally toilet paper, hand sanitizer, soap, you name it. Stores are running out. I just wanted to let you know you're not alone. Today I'm gonna be talking about the Uber stock price that is dropping. It's at an all-time low, and honestly, I've been having a lot of big discussions with people about how this virus is going to affect people economically as well. Not just, you know, in health, in terms of health, but also economically too. Let's talk about the implications that the coronavirus has on people for jobs, right? Let's talk about Uber and Lyft drivers. That's why we're here. I know a lot of you guys are Uber and Lyft drivers, so I think now is a very important time before it gets too out of hand to talk about it. What happens if the country goes on quarantine? Italy, the whole country is currently on quarantine. China, same thing. Denmark, 14-day quarantine. The President Trump just put a travel ban. Dana White just said UFC, there will be nobody attending any events. Again, I haven't seen something this crazy in a really long time. Actually, ever. I don't know how old you guys are watching this, but I've never seen something this crazy. If you guys are still jumping in the comment section, joking about this and saying this too shall pass, this is not the time to do that, guys. People are dying. This is getting insane. Schools are shut down. The reason why it's worse than the flu is because there's no vaccine for the flu, for the coronavirus. There's no cure. And it's spreading rapidly. It's spreading so fast, and there's not a lot of testing being done in the United States. I've been spending the last 24 hours on the phone with people, doing research online, talking with medical professionals, talking with Uber and Lyft executives. I want to get you guys the best information possible. If I'm inside all day and I'm not able to go out and do rides, the least I can do is make a video every few hours for you guys, giving you guys updates. So please do subscribe. You know, you will not want to miss these updates. I'm going to be telling you as soon as Uber and Lyft come out with statements, I'm going to be sharing them with you guys. As soon as the government tells Uber and Lyft drivers to stop driving, I'm going to be telling you guys. And yes, I do think that they will do that soon. A lot of people saying that airplanes are still flying, transportation still happening, that it's really no big deal. I'm sorry, guys. Turn on the news. Look at what's going on in the world. Look at the chaos that's going on in other parts of the world. It's only a matter of time until what's going on in Italy right now is going to happen in the United States. I'm self-quarantining myself just because I don't want to come in contact with anybody else. I just ordered food from Chipotle, and I'm paranoid that somebody there might have had it, and I regret even buying the food. I'm not even going to go in contact with anybody until I know that it's safe to do so. You know what I mean? I don't want to panic. This is not me panicking, but I'm sorry. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'd rather take a month out of my life, stay inside, work from home, than go out and go to a few parties, you know? It's just not worth it. It's really, really not worth it. It's really not worth it. Stay inside, protect yourself at all costs. And yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, sorry, it is late. What time is it, Dylan? You guys see the time on there? 2:17 a.m. I was about to go to bed, but I wanted to make this video for you guys, just giving you guys updates because I can't sleep. I can't sleep, guys. It's just crazy everything that's going on. So anyways, now let's get into the article about the Uber stock so you guys can take a look at what really is going on right now. Uber closes at an all-time low as investors continue to measure coronavirus risk. Shares of Uber closed at fresh lows Thursday as investors continue to grapple with the rapid spread of coronavirus 19. The stock dropped 13.81% to $22.81. Dara Khosrowshahi, CEO of Uber, appears on CNBC's Squawk Box at 2020 World Economic Forum on January 22nd. Shares of Uber closed at fresh lows on Thursday. That was today. It's Friday morning right now at 2:26 a.m. Closing below its previous all-time lows, 25. This is taking a huge economic toll, obviously, on the stock market. Uber's stock price is at $22, an all-time low. It became here's the saying is that it became at an all-time low after a speech from Donald Trump failed to ease concerns over a possible economic slowdown. The World Health Organization on Wednesday declared the new coronavirus global pandemic after the deadly virus spread to more than 121,000 people. By the way, guys, at any time you can go and type this in and see the statistics. These are the amount of people affected, 134,000. This is the United States. So here we go. We're deeply concerned by the alarming levels of spread and severity. Uber warned last week in an annual financial filing that a pandemic or an outbreak or disease or similar public health concerns such as the recent coronavirus outbreak or fear as such an event could pose a material risk to its business. You guys think, why is the stock price going down? When you have a disease like this, something that's uncontrollable, something that's very, unpredictable, why would you invest in something that could very well affect that company, that stock? What is going to happen when people are quarantined? They're not going outside to take Uber rides. They're not taking rides. Drivers are not going to be able to make money. And what's going to happen to the app, the Uber app? It's going to offend. My prediction is that the Uber app will eventually stop functioning. It will be unfunctionable because there will be no drivers, because drivers will leave to go find other jobs, and the riders who need rides won't have any drivers to take them once that happens. And the few drivers that last, you might be thinking, oh Dylan, less drivers, more work for me. Guys, it's going to be 3, 4, 6 months, even a year that we're dealing with this. People are going to be scared to take Ubers for the next year. I know I am. I'm not going to take an Uber for the next year or so. I'm not getting into a stranger's car. I know that many Uber drivers don't clean their cars. The back seats are probably contaminated already. And a lot of drivers pick up people from the airports, so that's even worse. Oh, sorry. Tired. Give the video a thumbs up if you just yawned with me. If I just made you yawn. No, what was I saying? Yeah. Uber cars are if you think about it, are very dirty and also very highly susceptible to a sickness. This one in particular, because people are coming in from overseas and you're picking them up from the airport and they're getting in your car and they're coughing, they're sniffling, they're touching their face, they're touching their mouth, they're touching the seats. Yeah, and it's just sitting in your car, in your Uber car, in your Lyft car. And then you as a driver, you get that because you know you're in close proximity, you're even touching it. You touch that, you accidentally touch your face, touch your mouth, touch your nose. I know I'm trying to stop touching my face right now. It's hard because I'm just used to I'm just used to touching my face all the time. I need to go to bed, guys. I know it's late, but I'm a night owl. See, I'm even almost touching my face now. But yeah, guys, that's my update. Uber stock price is at an all-time low. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching. Bye.